Hello everyone. For this 10 weeks of duration for industrial training, I have done my industrial training at RAB Energy Services, which is located at Taman University, Bandar Baru Bangi. I will explain a little bit about the background of the company. First, RAB Energy Services is specialized in detailed energy audit or detailed electrical energy audit (DEA) for buildings and efficient energy management (EEM) services. The example of work that this company do is such as Registered Electrical Energy Manager Services or REM, electrical energy audit for commercial and industrial building, property due to the diligence audit, energy audit for air conditioning, mechanical ventilation and refrigeration system, energy efficiency and conservation project, energy monitoring system, testing, commissioning and recommissioning for SAMV system, and last for training on energy audit and energy management system. In order to support our government to reduce the 40% of CO2 or carbon dioxide that may lead to greenhouse effect or global warming. So this is why the energy audit has been done, because we want to know how much energy has been consumed by a certain building, and at the end we can propose to them the way to save their energy. For the example, for ACMV or air conditioning mechanical ventilation, the air changes must be not more than 1000 ppm. If there is more than 1000 ppm, so it will make us feel so sleepy and so weak in that certain area. The example of work for detailed energy audit that I've been done is room data survey or RDS, where I need to take the reading of the light, the brightness of the lamp in a certain area, where the reading must according to MS 10525 for Malaysia standard, and I also need to take the reading for reading of temperature, carbon dioxide, and also the relative humidity by using the device. Okay, next is the equipment listing, where I need to list up all the equipment that use electrical power supply, and I need to find the power rated for the equipment, and it will be used for the analysis part at the end of the project. For the next work is for AHU and FCU. AHU is standing for Air Handling Unit. FCU is Fan Coil Unit. For air handling unit, there is two part, which is for supply part and return part. So for both part, I need to do the same process, which is I need to take the airflow velocity by using the device, which is flow meter, and also I also need to take the reading for the temperature, relative humidity, and carbon dioxide for both return and supply. Next, I will measure the size of ducting for supply, and for return part, I will measure the size of the filter, and it will be used for at the end of the project in analysis part. It's also same for FCU, which is FCU or fan coil unit is smaller than air handling unit, and FCU also located at the top of the ceiling, and we need to find it one by one. For it is different from the AHU, which is AHU have their own room, which is easy for us to find it. Okay, for chiller plant, we need to measure the temperature of chiller plant by using the Genesis software, where we need to do a little setup equipment, and we need to let it for 7 days or 14 days, and after 7 days or 14 days, we can get the reading, and it can be used for the analysis process at the end of the project. Okay. Next is the installing of power energy logger at chiller electrical panel, where we can know the performance of chiller by the data that we get. The example of data that we get is such as the voltage, current, power, and the power factor. So the data that we get, we can do the analysis process at the end of the project. Okay, last but not least, for the cooling tower work, I need to climb up to the cooling tower, and I need to measure the temperature, the carbon dioxide, and also the relative humidity for the cooling tower. And after we get the reading at the end of the project, we need to do the analysis for the cooling tower.